these boxes are so big. Oh my god.
Stuffing also.
Okay, but before we open it up, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you will see every single of our videos. Okay, back to the video. Okay, let's open it up.
The stuffing, I think the stuffing.
Whoa.
Slice.
Ah, it's so big outside.
I opened it.
Oh my god. Flamingo.
I see.
Bye-bye. You don't need to see it. You need to see this.
Why?
Oh my god.
Why, guys?
It's so
Why did you delete the picture?
Flamingo. Okay, something just fell. It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. I'm so excited to open it up. There's tape on me.
How does this?
Okay, the other side now.
How does
Okay.
this thing open? Do I have to rip it?
Whoa.
I don't know how to.
Brother, can you hold my back?
No, I'm not.
Please. Please, brother. I will help you. Wow, look at it. It's so cute. And look, it's just a normal bag
These
that
are
you can roll.
instructions.
Or you can take. No! Look at it. You can put it like this, a handle, or maybe longer, or longer. Hi.
Look at the instructions.
Yeah,
They look a
That's
bit complicated.
I'll bring it back down. Okay, it's a flamingo back. I'm so upset. Okay, I'm gonna open right now.
Maybe there's stuff in.
Oh my god, there is. Ah, let's open it. Anything else?
Well, what's
Yes.
this?
Oh my god, it's so adorable. Look at this. It's like so cute. A pet so
Am I just see this?
2 wheels. 2 wheels. That's cool. Okay, and this is a lunch bag, I think. It's so adorable. This it has like that and that. Ooh, it's so adorable. Let's open this up and see. Wait, let's open this first. I pause it, but look, this is my pencil case. It has nothing in it, but I just want to show you it's like from those pencil cases. I guess you can put your makeup brushes or makeup also in here. Okay, and this.
It's a
Oh my God, this is
lunchtime
so
already.
Oh my god, it's so adorable. Oh my god, it's two.
Wow.
There are 2 of them.
Let's see how long this is go.
And this has a flamingo, like in
I
front.
guess not
These
that one.
flamingos. Whoa, flamingo nada.
I take it back.
Okay, they are so cute. Let me just do this. Or yeah, okay, it's so cute. I love it.
And this one, I'm just throwing away.
Hi, I'm Flamingo, and I'm so cute. Hi, I'm Flamingo. Before we start with the big one, let's start with this one. Okay, it's a lunch bag, and you can open it from here and put your lunch, or you can put like a water bottle or your lunch here. And you can also put some stuff in here if you need to. Brother, I'm showing them. Can you please be quiet for a second?
No, I'm showing them.
No, I was showing them. Okay, and this is the place where you can put it. You can open it up and put it here. If I lay, this is a travel bag or school bag, whatever you want to
This
do
is
with
a
it.
lunch bag.
Brother, they already know it.
And this is a
And
shop
this is the safe. Yes, here is the safe. And then there's like space here. And then you can put also, I think, here stuff.
This
Yes.
shark is
No,
gonna
that's
eat you.
from this. And you have also
This shark is gonna eat you if
And-
you don't subscribe.
And these are
Yeah,
pockets. Right? Ooh. And this is where you can like hold it with your. And this is for like you can buckle it up, so make sure this won't fall. And these, get it out. Or wait, those are for to buckle it up. And you can wear it like this to school or
Oh, you
wherever.
see me rolling.
Wow. Like this.
Sister, you see me rolling. Down in the sea.
Ooh, that was handy. to our next unboxing time.
And this shop is